Today I'm going to walk you through on how to improve image quality with free AI tool. This enhancer tool will improve the quality of your image by increasing its pixel. The first day I bumped into this platform, I was marveled. So follow me from this beginning to the end to learn how you can do that. The first is to open your browser. So I'm using Edge here, so I'll click on it for it to open. After your browser opens, you see the website link replicate.com slash 10 slash syntax slash GFPGAN. Okay, I will have the link in the description. So look at the description below to see the link. All right. So once you paste the link in your browser, press the enter key for it to load. This is the next interface you will see once the website link opens, and this is sample of what you are going to see. This is the before and this is after, but the image we are going to use for this sample is even worse than this, but this platform works like magic and it gives us the results we need. As you scroll down the page, click on this option, sign in with GitHub. On the assumption that you do not have an account with this platform, click on create an account. In the details section, fill your username, any name you want to use on the platform. And here I am using Godwin Tech. Under email, just type any email address you want to use. In the password section, just type any password of your choice. Scroll down the page, and on this section, verify your account. Click on verify. Now, this is the puzzle they want you to answer. They say use the arrows to rotate the animal to face in the direction of the hand. After that, click on submit. Okay, they brought out another for us, so let's do what they said we should do. Then after that, click on submit again. They brought it again. It says use the arrows to rotate the animal to face in the direction of the hand. So let's try again. We click on submit. And we are verified. So the next step is click on create account. It says you are almost done. We sent a launch code to this email. Enter the code. So I'll access my email and then enter the code. Once you're able to verify, you return back to this section and let's start the real thing. Okay, so your first step is these options you are given here. If you have a photo you have already saved in your PC, okay, you can click on this section and then upload the photo here, and from there you can change it to something that is neater. Alternatively, if you want to take a photo of yourself because this photo was on the face, you can do that using this option and then upload it on this platform and then do the conversion. But here I have a photo of myself I have already saved, so let me go with this first option. As you click on that spot, your PC opens, okay? The File Explorer section. Double click on the picture you want to use. Then the next step is to click on Submit button. So come up so that you know when the whole thing is completed. As you can see, this is the before and this is the after. So can you see how cool this AI tool works? So the next step to take is to download the new conversion. which is the one that the AI did. And the photo is downloading into my PC. So let me get back to the files section of my PC to see this photo I just downloaded. Here is the file, and that is cool. Thank you. I hope you learned something great. Please do well to subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, and then hit the like button if this video is helpful to you. Also, if you want to get some notifications about my videos on technology, that is another reason why you should subscribe to my channel.